hasn't happened yet, but Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been urged to declare the floods in Jammu and Kashmir a national calamity. In fact, he will be visiting the state today to personally assess the damage. As of 1 a.m., the level at Arambagh gauge point right outside the city was 25.7, and if this has crossed 26 points, it would mean that the Dal Lake would be flooded. This would be an unprecedented situation, and fingers remain crossed that the worst case scenario does not become reality. An alert has been issued asking people who live along the banks of the river in Srinagar to vacate their homes immediately. Also, in the latest from Jammu, the Tavi River is flowing 1 foot below the danger level mark of 17. Over in Udhampur, an alert will be sounded when the river hits 4.5 meters. Currently, the Tavi River is flowing at 4 meters here. As for the Chenab River in Akhnur, it has breached the danger level of 32 feet and is flowing well above it, stands at 35 feet as of late last night. Now, Prime Minister Modi will be travelling first to Jammu, where he'll undertake an aerial survey. Later in the day, he'll go to Kashmir and take stock of the situation there. Modi, while condoling the deaths of the flood-affected on Thursday, announced 2 lakh rupees as ex gratia relief for the kin of the deceased and 50,000 for those who are displaced and seriously injured.
बोट्स की कमी है, मैं मानता हूँ जहाँ जहाँ मैं गया वहाँ लोगों ने बोट्स की बात की। जितने बोट्स हम ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते थे श्रीनगर और सराउंडिंग एरिया से, हमने बोट्स ऑर्गेनाइज करके उन्हें इलाकों में भेजे हैं। लगभग 250-300 के आसपास बोट्स जो हैं उन्हें हमने यहाँ वहाँ से जमा करके अफेक्टेड एरियाज़ में भेजे हैं, जिसके ज़रिए हम लोगों को निकालने का काम कर रहे हैं। यहाँ से माता वैष्णो देवी की यात्रा बंद करनी पड़ी। वहाँ कश्मीर की तरफ हम हज जो है, हज के ऑपरेशंस हमें बंद करने पड़े हैं, क्योंकि मौसम के वजह से हमें जो परेशानियाँ आ रही हैं, इन हालात में ना हम यात्रा को जारी रख सकते थे, ना हम हज के जो है अरेंजमेंट्स उनको कंप्लीट कर पाए। नेशनल कैलामिटी डिक्लेयर करना ना करना ये मरकज़ का काम है। मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है वो किस नाम से इस चीज़ को पुकारें, जब तक कि हमारे लोगों तक मदद पहुँचे।
More than 148 people have lost their lives in Jammu and Kashmir floods, which are the worst in the state over the last 50 years that the state has seen. Situation turned serious in the 2 state capitals, Jammu and Srinagar, last night. Here's the big picture of the extent of damage that's been caused by the floods.
Jammu and Kashmir is battling its worst floods in nearly 6 decades. At least 100 villages in Kashmir are inundated. As many as 60 major and minor roads are blocked, while 30 bridges have suffered serious damage.
I am just standing in front of the new Tavi bridge, 4th bridge. This is the bridge. One of the bridge has been broken, and there is a communication between the Jammu city and new city has broken. This bridge was inaugurated last year by the Chief Minister Umar.
The death toll in the floods has now crossed the 148 mark. A boat carrying 11 army jawans capsized during rescue operations in Pulwama. Luckily, no lives were lost. Home Minister Rajnath Singh arrived in Srinagar this morning and undertook an aerial survey of the flood-affected areas.
उन्होंने हमें ये भी अश्योर किया है कि मरकज़ की तरफ से एक सेंट्रल टीम जो है मिनिस्टरों की और अफसरों की, वो डिप्यूट की जाएगी दोनों जम्मू और कश्मीर प्रोविंस में। वो खुद यहाँ पे हालात का जायज़ा लेके हमें रिलीफ जो है वो भेजने का काम करेंगे।
With nearly 10,000 people across the state being stranded, the Army and NDRF are involved in a massive rescue operation. Over half a dozen localities in Srinagar remained underwater for the 3rd consecutive day.
Kashmir Valley has been witnessing an unprecedented situation because of these incessant rains. As you can see, it is a flood situation all across Jammu and Kashmir.
The Western Air Command headquarters has opened a disaster monitoring cell that is coordinating the efforts between all its bases and alerted all its bases to a high state of readiness to respond to the emerging situation. The Jammu-Udhampur-Katra railway track is blocked due to flood and landslides. The Vaishno Devi Yatra remains suspended due to bad weather and a landslide near the Trikuta mountains. With Shuja ul Haq in Srinagar and Ashwini Kumar in Jammu, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
Well, the worst floods the state has seen in 50 years. Over 390 villages have gone under. The death toll stands at 148. And there's more bad news. The Dal Lake is on the verge of flooding. Situation with the Jammu, Tavi and Chenab rivers also alarming. We've been keeping a close track on the developments from the state. Headlines Today's Shuja ul Haq and Ashwini Kumar continue to bring you ground reports from the two state capitals on the fast evolving situation.